Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to collect Facebook and Instagram leads to Google Sheets automatically. It's free and easy. You can automatically download leads in a spreadsheet without having to manually upload them each time. You can transfer everything you need: contact details, people's answers in your lead form, and other. To do this automatically, you need AppyWay. You could sign up with an email and password if you need to share access to the AppyWay account with someone else or with your Google account. I already have an account, so I just sign in. Next, you need to click on Create a Way. Here you can specify the name of the integration. Next, you need to select the data source application. So I select Facebook Leads. Now let's quickly connect it to the AppyWay. Click Connect, and here, if you are not logged into your Facebook account, you will be prompted to log in. And then you will need to confirm the connection of your Facebook account to your AppyWay account. Also here, you would check if you grant AppyWay the requested access rights to your Facebook account. This is necessary for the integration to work. Then go to the integration settings. Here, select the data source application, so I select Facebook Leads. Below, select the new lead trigger. Then select the page and lead form. And if after that you click Update Available Fields, you will see the message No Data. This means that AppyWay does not yet have data about the fields in your lead form, and you need to send a test lead to this lead form. To do this, you can use the official Meta tool Lead Ads Testing Tool, the link to which will also be in the description below the video. Go here, select the page and lead form, and click Create Lead. Then, update the lead form fields in the integration settings again. Now, let's set up the Google Sheets as the second application. Select it here, and now you need to connect Google Sheets to AppyWay. Here, you need to select the Google account where the spreadsheets you need to integrate are located. After that, click Continue, and here, please note that you need to check the box to grant the necessary permissions. Otherwise, AppyWay will not be able to transfer data to the spreadsheets and the integration will not work. After connecting Google Sheets, go to the integration settings. First, you need to create columns with headers in the spreadsheet. The headers will be column indicators for AppyWay, to which data from Facebook can be transferred. I have already prepared them in advance for clarity. After that, go back to Integration Settings and select Google Sheets as an action app. Now you need to select an action event, and in this case, it would be best to choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Then, click Update Available Fields, and below, select Spreadsheet and Worksheet. Below, you will see fields that correspond to the columns with the headings we prepared earlier. Now you need to click on the plus for each column field to select which data from Facebook will be transferred to it. After that, click Test and Activate at the top. Now we need to test the integration. To do this, return to the Lead Ads Testing tool to delete the previous test lead, and then send another test lead. Then check whether the test lead has arrived in the spreadsheet. If you need to make some changes in the integration settings, you need to go to the Integration Settings page, turn it off, and then you'll be able to make changes. But don't forget to activate it again then. That's it! This way you can automatically collect leads from different ads.